Okay, going to the exercise 11.2. Okay, so what do we see in exercise 11.2 is they have given the area of the parallelogram. We have learned the formula for the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is parallelogram in short form can be written with two lines, standing long lines, and GM. Okay, so area of the parallelogram, the formula is base into height. And how does a parallelogram look like? It looks like this. Okay, this is the height, this particular thing becomes the height, and this is the base. Okay, so now in the first figure they have given that if you look at the figure, question 1, the A part, it is given that the vertical height is given as 4 centimeters and the base is given as 7 centimeters. So area is equal to base times height, which is equal to 4 times of 7, that is equal to 28 centimeters square. Okay, 28 centimeters square. Going to the B1, what do I see here? It's again, they have given me a shape here, and then the vertical height is 3 and the base is 5 centimeters given to me. So the area is equal to base times height, which is equal to 3 times of 5. Okay, now going with the C1, that is equal to 15 centimeters square. Okay, C1 you are going to do. Let's do the D1. Okay, in the D1 they have given a shape which is moved on the other side, and they have given me that this height is 4.8, and here they have made a rectangle, small square over here. That means this is the height and this is the base here. Okay, this is the base and this becomes the height. So the area of this is base times height, and the base is 5 and the height is 4.8. So that becomes 5 8s are 40. So 4054s are 24.0 centimeters square will be the units for it. Okay, likewise in the E1 they have given the figure. Okay, and they have given this height to me, a perpendicular height. They have made this one here. So wherever there is a 90-degree angle being made, that becomes the height. This is the height and this is the base, which is equal to 2 centimeters. Okay, so the area is equal to base times height, that is 2 times 4.4, which is equal to 8.8 centimeters square. So here you have to do only the C1. Okay, going to the second question. In the second question, the area of the triangles, they are talking about area of triangle. What is the formula? It is half base times height. Now in a triangle, again this will be the height. Okay, wherever they are forming a line and the small square, that becomes the height, and this side wherever the height is ending, that becomes the base. Okay, so looking at the first one, they have given to me a triangle, okay, whose perpendicular height is 3 centimeters, making this. So this has to be the base, because wherever this is made, that becomes the base there. Okay, so it is 4 centimeters in here. That is, area is equal to half base times height, that is BH, which is half times of 4 times 3. 2 ones are 2s are 2 3s are 6 centimeters square is the shape area of this particular one. Going with the B figure, they have given me a triangle. Okay, and they have given this as the height there. What did they give? This as the height. So this is 3.2 centimeters given to me, and this is 5 centimeters. So this becomes the base and this becomes the height. So area is equal to half base into height, which is half into base is 3.2, sorry, base is 5 and the height is 3.2. So 3 ones are 3 ones are and 6 are 1.6 you get. So 1.6 times 5 is what you're supposed to do. So that becomes 5 6 are 33. 5 ones are 5 plus 3 8. 8.0 centimeters square will be the units for it. Okay, then looking at the C1, they have given me a right angled triangle. Anyways, in the right angled triangle, they have given that this is the thing. So this is 4 centimeters to me and this is 3 centimeters to me. This automatically becomes the height and this becomes the base. So area is equal to half base into height. Solve it and tell me the answer for this one. Okay, now in the following figure, the D figure, what did they give? Like, they gave the shape like this. Okay, and they gave some line like this. This line is just given to confuse you. This does not have anything to do with our thing. Okay, the actual triangle is like this. the actual triangle is like this. Okay, this is 3 centimeters. Okay, and this height that I have, this height that I have here is 2 centimeters. So this is the height outside. We are taking the height where? We are taking the height outside. Why so? Because inside we cannot find the height directly. So 2 centimeters of height it becomes, and base we already know, which is 3 centimeters. So half base into height you're going to do and get your answer for this. And the answer for this will be 3 centimeters square. I want you to do the formula, write down the formula area is equal to half base into height, substitute the values and tell me if you get 3 centimeters square or not. Okay, third question talks about third table talks about some missing values and the area of the parallelogram. Okay, we are aware third and fourth are much similar. Okay, base times height is equal to the area of parallelogram is what we are aware of. Okay, so what they have done is sometimes they gave the base and the height is not given to you. So I'm doing the first one. Base is given 20, height is not given, which is equal to 246. The area is also given. So if I send this down, height will be equal to 246 by 20. That is 10 times, 1 times, 2 times, 3 times. Then this becomes 12.3 centimeters will be the height of the particular parallelogram we have. Okay, doing the B question, it is given to me base into height is equal to area is the formula. Base is given? No. Let the base be B itself. Height is given? Yes, 15 is equal to area. Is it given? Area is given? Yes, 15, 4.5. Send this down. The base is equal to 15, 4.5 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15 ones are, and we are going to take the next two numbers, so 0. 15 one times and 0, and this becomes 3 times. So the base turns out to be 10.3 centimeters will be the base found out. Going with the fourth question, I'm not doing the C and D of the third one. You have to do these two. Going with the fourth question, what is there in the fourth question? Again, area of the triangle formula is what? Half base into height. Sometimes they have given base and height, no area. Sometimes they have given area and base, no height. They have given area, no base, but height is given to me. Okay, so let's do the first one over here for the fourth one. A1 says the base is equal to 15, height is I don't know, area is given to me as 87. So what's the formula for area of triangle? It is half base times height. That is half base is 15 and the height I don't know, but the area is 87. Send it towards the other side, it becomes 87 into 2 into 5 is equal to 15 times height. Is we got what we get here. Okay, then let's start solving this one. Eight sevens are 14, 16, 176 is equal to 15 into h. Send this down. 174 by 15 gives me the height of the particular shape. Okay, let's simplify it. You will get the answer for this one. Going with the B part of this, area is equal to half base into height is there. Area is given, yes, 1, 2, 5, 6 is the area given. Half. Base is given, not given. Height is given, yes, 31.4. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to just send this upwards. 1, 2, 5, 6 into 2, and this should come down. 31.4. That is equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are and 5s are then 0.7. So 1256 by 15.7 is what I get here. You have to simplify this and give the answer in centimeters square. Sorry, we are finding the base here, right? So the base is equal to, we have to write base is equal to so and so centimeters. Here also we have to do the same. So for this one, if I do 15 divided by 174, 15 ones are 15, 2, 4. 15 ones are again 15, that is equal to 9 14 9. Okay, then put a decimal, take the value here. Ones are 5. It becomes 4 and 0, then 0.8 times. So it's going to be how much? 40. Or I'm doing something wrong. I did a mistake here. No one even noticed it. 15 divided by 174. 15 ones are 15. Then 3 and 4 I'm left with. 15 twos are 30. Then 4. I'll put a decimal, take a point here. 5, 15. Twos are 30. Twos are 30 again. 1 0. Then I have a decimal, I'll put this 100 here. Okay, then 15 6 are 20, 15 30 60 90. 2 4 6 90. Yeah, 6 are 90 you'll get. Okay, so it becomes again 4 will be left here. Okay, so it will continue. So the answer for this one for the height is 12.26 centimeters. Likewise, you have to simplify this and get your answer.